Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a twist out using the Texture ID styling cream. Now I did test this styler out with all of my leave-ins that I have, and not near one of them mixed well with this product. Now I've never used this product before, so I'm not going to go in and just not use a leave-in at all on my hair because I don't know if it's going to dry my hair out. I know nothing about this product, so I'm not even going to try it. But I did decide to use the African Pride leave-in cream because this one is the most moisturizing of all the ones that I have. So I already co-washed my hair using the Pantene Pro V co-wash, the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner to condition and detangle my hair. Then I went on with the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask, and I used that with heat for 15 minutes, but then I had to go out and do some running around. So I still have the deep conditioner in my hair right now. It's been about almost 5 hours. And just to let y'all know, if y'all don't have one of these Grace Alea slap caps, like, you really need one, because when you deep conditioning and you don't have time to actually go through with your whole wash day process at the moment, these are really good to just throw on your head. Also, when you have your twists and they're not dry, you can put this on your head. I like them, and I got 4 of them. So take this one out, and it's looking good. Look at that. And it seems like my hair absorbed a lot of the product. My hair is feeling really soft. So how it came about with me actually trying out the Texture ID, I initially was going to get the TGIN Daily Moisturizing Cream, whatever it's called. And as I was thinking, I'm like, you know what, that particular product is a moisturizer. Like, it is what it says. Like, I don't want to get it and it just basically be like something that I already have. So I ended up not getting it because I was going to use it with the TGIN gel, but I'm like, if you use a moisturizer with a soft hold gel, it's still not going to give you like any hold. I've seen this product before, but I really wasn't interested, but I really did want to try it. And even when I looked up on YouTube, I really didn't see too many people trying this product, but they tried it, but it was from a long time ago, and I'm like, I need something from like recent. Now I am going to sit underneath the dryer with this product. I don't want it to dry naturally without any heat, because normally with heat and products it give it like a little bit of a cast, which I need, because right now where I live at is doing a lot of raining and I need some hold. Hopefully this works, because if not, I'm going to return it because I have my receipt. And another thing that I always say just about in every video, if you have like a problem with your roots being a little bit puffy, all you have to do is just take a hairpin, twist it at the roots, and apply the pin right there, and it basically keeps your twist locked in place. So I'm gonna speed this video up a little bit because I don't want to be all day. Okay, so now I'm all done with my twists. They are really nice and shiny. And I'm going to sit under my dryer for at least 1 hour to dry my twist and to give myself a little bit of hold. So it's time for the takedown, and I can tell you right now, I have no high hopes for this twist out at all. I'm not even gonna say it got hold. It's no hold. It's not a medium hold like it said it had. And I just know that my hair is going to, I know when I take the twist out and try to separate, that it's going to be frizz everywhere. But I'm going to use, like, my hair is moisturized, but I'm going to use my oil, and I'm just going to dip my fingers in it and undo just a little bit and undo the twist. But I don't know, I just don't think it's going to be a good twist out. So let's just get started. As you can see, I'm trying to be real careful, really careful, and take my time. So I'm done taking down my twist. If I'm gonna be honest, I don't like it. I don't like it. Like, it has a bunch of frizz. I'm not even gonna lie. Frizz. 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 It's just a bunch of frizz that I can't get it. So I will be returning that product to Sally's because it did, I mean, it gave me definition, but it's just not what I like. It's just not what I like. Like, the camp, looking at it through the viewfinder right here, it doesn't look bad. But looking at it in person, is a lot of frizz, and I can't deal with that. Can't deal with a lot of frizz. I already know my hair not gonna last. It is super moisturized, I can say that. It is super moisturized. It does have definition, but it's just, I don't like it. So comment down below and let me know what y'all think. I know y'all gonna be like, girl, your hair look good, girl. No. I mean, it is super soft, but it's just not what I like. So that is it. That's all I have for this video. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've ever tried anything from the line Texture ID. And if you did, let me know how you liked it. And until then, I will see you in my next video.